Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to duplicate elements quickly and efficiently in Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or just want to learn some handy shortcuts, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know a few different ways to copy and duplicate objects, making your workflow smoother and a lot faster. Let's dive in first. Let's talk about the most basic method, which is the traditional right-click. Suppose you have an object, a button, maybe some text, or even a group of items that you want to duplicate. All you have to do is right-click on the object. When the menu pops up, look for the option that says Copy. Give that a click. Now you'll need to tell Figma where you want to place the copy. Simply right-click again, but this time on the canvas where you want your duplicate to appear, and click Paste here. That makes an exact copy of your original right in the spot you choose. This method is great if you're moving things to a different area on your canvas, like when you're working on a layout with multiple artboards or sections. But maybe you like using keyboard shortcuts, or you want to speed things up even more. Figma supports the classic copy-paste shortcuts. Just select the object you want to duplicate, then hit Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. If you're on Mac, that's Command-C and Command-V. This way you can quickly copy-paste multiple objects, great for repetitive tasks like duplicating icons or input fields. A quick tip here, Figma pastes the new copy right on top of your original, so at first it might not look like anything happened. If you try to move it, you'll notice both objects moving together, which can be confusing. So after pasting, be sure to click and drag your new copy to where you want it to live. Now here's my personal favorite and honestly the fastest way to duplicate objects in Figma. If you want to duplicate anything with just one quick move, click on the object you want to copy. This could be a shape, a photo, some text, or even an entire frame. Now hold down the Alt key or Option on Mac. While holding it, just click and drag the object and voila! You've instantly created a duplicate and you can drop it exactly where you need it. It's almost like using a cloning tool. This method becomes second nature once you're used to it, and it's especially useful when you're designing a set of similar elements like cards or buttons and want to keep everything lined up just right. One thing to keep in mind while duplicating, especially with the click and drag method, is to pay attention to Figma's smart guides. These help you align your new copies perfectly with other elements, so your designs stay tidy and professional looking. And don't worry if your duplicates don't land in the perfect spot right away. You can always nudge them into place with your arrow keys. So that's it. Now you know 3 reliable ways to duplicate in Figma. Using right-click and paste, keyboard shortcuts, and the super efficient Alt-drag trick. Try each one out and see what works best for your workflow. You might find different methods are better in different situations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a Figma topic you want me to cover next. And of course, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.